Hello everyone, welcome back once again to Kalal English. This is your instructor, teacher Solomon. I hope you have watched the previous video regarding the travel or vocabulary related to airport or travel. Today we're going to see a different topic. I hope you will find it useful. Okay. Last time in a series we have seen self-introduction, going shopping, and this one is also at the airport before this, and also another one how to book and check into a hotel, right? So our next topic in the series is at the doctors. Okay, at the doctors, we all are human, we feel sick, and when we are sick, how are we going to express our sickness? Okay, so ውድ ተማሪዎች በዛሬው ትምህርታችን የምናየው or in our series today የምንመለከተው at the doctors ወይም ደግሞ ህመማችንን ለሐኪም እንዴት ነው የምናስረዳው? ኦኬ ህመማችን እንዴት ነው የምንገልጸው? ስለ ህመም መጠየቅ እንዴት ነው የምንጠይቀው የታመመን ሰው የሚለውን የምናይበት ፓርት ነው ማለት ነው። አብራችሁን ቆዩ። This is Kalal English. All right. Good. Now there are different ways, okay, that or different phrases that we need to know regarding health or health-related issues, right? So, for example, when we want to ask for health problems, we use different questions, okay? So when we ask different questions like, what is the matter? Okay, what is the matter? Okay, and where is the pain exactly? Okay, የት ጋ ነው በትክክል የሚያምሽ ቦታ የቱ ጋ ነው? Where is the pain exactly? And then, since when did you start feeling sick? Okay, ከመቼ ጀምሮ ነው ህመሙ የተሰማ ያለው ወይም የተሰማ? Since when did you start feeling sick? How do you feel today? How do you feel today? ዛሬ ምን ይሰማሃል? ዛሬ እንዴት ነህ? Okay, ተሻለ ጥሩ ነህ ወይ still ያመሃል? Okay, and did you get any treatment? Did you get any treatment? Okay, ህክምና አገኘሽ ለማለት did you get any treatment? Question. So the next one is describing symptoms. Okay, so there are a number of symptoms that are related to different sicknesses, right? So sicknesses related to different or that relate to the symptoms are there. So when we want to express or talk about those symptoms, we use these, okay, different expressions. For example, I have pain in my, okay, I have pain in my side, I have pain in my chest, okay, or I have pain in my leg, or I have pain in my back, okay. So we can use different parts of the body to talk about our pain. The second one, I have been feeling. What kind of feeling have you had? Okay, I've been feeling dizzy, I've been feeling sick, okay, I've been feeling nauseous, okay. So there are different types of feelings that we experience when we are sick, okay. And the other is it hurts. It hurts when does it hurt? It hurts when I move, it hurts when I sleep, it hurts when I breathe in, it hurts when I eat, okay. So if it's a kind of stomach ache or gastritis, so when you eat, if okay there is still an acid, so that feeling or that pain, okay, really hurts when you do specific activities, right? So that sort of thing is important to know and to express. The next one is how are we going to ask questions? Okay, how are we going to ask questions? All right, so for example, what could be causing my symptoms, doctor? Okay, doctor, what could be causing my symptoms? Okay, በምን ምክንያት ነው እንዲህ ሊሆን የቻለው? እንዲህ ልታመም የቻልኩት ምንድን ነው የሚያስነሳብኝ? Is this condition serious? ሁኔታው በጣም ሲሪየስ ነው? ጉዳዩ በጣም የከፋ ነው እንዴ? አሳሳቢ ነው? ለማለት ነው። is this something serious and what tests do I need to take or what tests should I do ምን አይነት ምርመራዎችን ላድርግ what kind of tests or examinations should I take okay or should I do የትኞቹን አይነት ምርመራዎች ባደርግ ጥሩ ነው ትላለህ ዶክተር so these are important phrases coming to discussing medical history okay whenever we go somewhere whenever we want to see a doctor nice እንሄድ ያሉብን የቀደሙ የሜዲካል ሂስትሪዎቻቸው ወይም የህክምና ታሪካችን ይጠቅማል አለርጂክ መሆናችን አስማቲክ መሆናችን ዳያቤቲክ መሆናችን እነዚህ ነገሮች ቢታዩ ቀድመን ብንናገር it will make it easy ለምሳሌ I have a history of asthma okay asthma ታሪክ አለኝ I have a history of diabetes okay diabetes አለብኝ ስኳር ታማሚ ነኝ asthmatic በሽታ ወይም አስም በሽታ አለብኝ የሚለው or I am allergic to okay ለሆነ ነገር አለርጂ ነኝ ኦኬ አለርጂ ምን ሆነባቸው ነገሮች ይለያያሉ ኦኬ መርፌ ሊሆን ይችላል ወይም ደግሞ በመድኃኒት ውስጥ የሚወሰዱ የተለያዩ ቅመሞች we can be allergic so ለዛ አለርጂ ሲኖረን ሰውነታችን ለዛ አለርጂ ሪአክት የሚያደርገው ነገር ሌላ ችግር ስለሚፈጥር we need to inform the doctor that we are allergic to something allergy የሆነባቸው ነገሮች መናገር አለብን so I'm allergic to እንላለን and I take medication for by the time ለሆነ ጉዳይ ልንታከም ሄደን ግን sideways ደግሞ parallelly ከጎን ሌላ መድኃኒት እየወሰድን ከሆነ ያንንም መናገር አለብን so I'm taking medication for ለሆነ ነገር መድኃኒት እየወሰድኩኝ ነው ኦኬ ለሆነ ህመም ለምሳሌ ኦፕሬሽን አድርገን አንቲባዮቲክ ወይ ለሆነ ቁስል ማድረቂያ የምንወስደው ከሆነ ወይ ጨጓራ መድኃኒት የምንወስድ ከሆነ ወይ ሌላ በሽታ የምንወስደው መድኃኒት ካለ we should inform the doctor that we are taking medication okay የወሰድን መሆኑን ሌላ ዶክተሮች give us instruction ሐኪሞች የሚነግሩን የተለያዩ ኢንስትራክሽኖች ይኖራል አይደለ ይሄን አድርግ ሲሉን we need to make sure that we understand them clearly እነዛን instructions ትዕዛዞች በደንብ መረዳታችንን ማወቅ አለብን ተረድተን እንደሆነ can you explain how to take this okay መድኃኒት አለ it can be at the pharmacist or መድኃኒት የሚሰጠን ሰውዬ ጋር ሄደን can you explain how to take this ይሄን መድኃኒት እንዴት እንደምወስደው ትነግሪኝ እንላለን ማለት ነው what should I do if my symptoms get worse okay ይሄ ስሜቱ የህመም ስሜቱና ምልክቱ እየባሰ ከመጣ ምን ላድርግ what should I do if the symptoms get worse okay ምልክቶቹ ህመሙ እየባሱ ከመጡ እየባሰብኝ ከመጣ ምን ላድርግ እንላለን and then how long will it take to recover okay ለመዳን ምን ያህል ጊዜ ይፈጅብኛል ምን ያህል ጊዜ ይወስድብኛል how long will it take to recover okay so these are understanding or clarifying points ከሐኪም ጋር እናጠራቸው ነጥቦች ሲኖሩን when we want to see a specialist okay or a consultant ወይም ደግሞ በጣም በዘርፉ ልምድ ያለውን specialist ማየት ሲኖርብን we need to take appointment ቀጠሮ መያዝ አለብን right can I make an appointment ቀጠሮ መያዝ እችላለሁ ዶክተር ከሌን የዚህ ጉዳይ ወይም የጨጓራ ስፔሻሊስቱን ለማግኘት can I make an appointment okay when is the doctor coming መቼ ነው ባለሙያው ሐኪሙ የሚገባው when is the doctor coming I would like to schedule an appointment ቀጠሮ ለማስያዝ ፈልጌ ነበር for next week ማለት እንችላለን or for next Tuesday in the afternoon so that depends on the doctor's availability በሐኪሙ መኖር ላይ በተወሰነ ይወሰናል ግን I would like to schedule an appointment ቀጠሮ ማስያዝ እፈልጋለሁ በዚህ ቀን በዚህ ሰዓት ሲገባ is there a specific doctor I should see ማየት ያለብኝ ከሌ የሚባል ወይም ደግሞ የታዋቂ ሐኪም አለ በዚህ ጉዳይ ላይ is there a specific doctor I should see and then how long will the appointment take ቀጠሮ ለምን ያህል ጊዜ ነው how long will the appointment take ምን ያህል ጊዜ ወስዳል ቀጠሮ አስይዤ ሐኪሙን ለማግኘት okay and when should I come back መቼ ልመለስ okay መቼ ልመለስ when should I come back and who should I contact if I have more questions or ማንን ላግኝ? who should I contact or who should I talk to? ማንን ላናግር? if I have more questions ተጨማሪ ጥያቄዎች ተጨማሪ ጉዳዮችና ሲምፕተም በሽታዬም እየባሰ ከሄደ who should I contact? ማንን ላናግር? ማንን ማን ጋር ደውዬ ላውራ ስንል who should I contact እንላለን ማለት። so generally there are various health problems. health problems የተለያዩ የጤና እክሎች አሉ አይደለ? ምናቃቸው ቀላል የሆኑት like headache የራስ ምታት stomach ache የሆድ ህመም chest ache or chest pain ይሉታል chest pain እዚህ ጋር ልቤን ደረቴን ይወጋኛል ያመኛል back ache የጀርባ ህመም back ache እነዚህ የተለያዩ የህመም አይነቶች ናቸው a broken leg a broken arm እግሬ ተሰበረ እጄ ሰባራ እጅ አለኝ broken leg ስንል እግር መሰበር ነው and then broken arm የእጅ መሰበር ነው and then flu I've got a flu ጉንፋን ይዞኛል ብርድ መጥቶኛል I've got a cold and then I've got an earache የጆሮ ህመም earache እንለዋለን and then a rash or I've got rash ሰውነቴ ሽፍ ብሎብኛል I've got spots በየቦታው ሽፍታ ወጥቶብኛል ለማለት I've got a rash and I've got a toothache ስንል ደግሞ የጥርስ ህመም የጥርስ ህመም በጣም እየነዘነዘኝ ነው I've got a toothache ጥርሳችን ንክስ አድርገን I've got a toothache ስንል ጥርሴን እያመመኝ ነው and then a sore throat ጉሮሮ መከርከር ጉሮሮዬን የከረከረኝ ነው እንላለን there are a number of shoulder dislocation ሊሆን ይችላል የትከሻ ውልቃት I've got pain in my neck pain in my neck ሊሆን ይችላል I've got pain in my nose then there are a number of sicknesses የተለያዩ ህመሞች አሉ twisted ankle twisted ankle ወለም ብሎኛል እግሬ I've got a twisted ankle or I twisted my ankle እንላለን እግሬን ወለም አለ ትከሻዬ ወለቀ I have a shoulder or I've got a shoulder dislocation ትከሻ ውልቃት አጋጥሞኛል ስንል እነዚህና መሰል የተለያዩ አይነት የህመም አይነቶች እንጠቀማለን so these are all different types of sicknesses these are not the only ones but these are some of them ሁሉም አይደሉም የተወሰኑት ናቸው and then the next one is just a quick review of asking problems ህመምን ለመጠየቅ ቅድም ካየነው በተጨማሪ ምን ልንል እንችላለን how do you feel today ዛሬ እንዴት ነህ ዛሬ እንዴት ነህ ህመሙ እንዴት ነው ዛሬ how do you feel today how do you feel today and then how are you feeling ምን ይሰማሃል እንዴት ነህ how are you feeling are you okay ደህና ነህ are you okay is everything okay ሁሉ ነገር ጥሩ ነው is everything okay and then what is the matter what's the matter ምንድነው ችግሩ what's the matter what's wrong what's wrong and what's the matter ችግሩ ምንድነው የሆነው ምን ሆነህ ነው እንደምንለው what's the matter or what's wrong እንላለን ማለት and then the responses depending on our feeling can be I'm fine I'm ደህና ነኝ I'm fine I feel sick እያመመኝ ነው ህመም ይሰማኛል I feel sick then not so good or not so well really ደህና አይደለሁም እውነት ለመናገር ደህና አይደለሁም I feel sick and then not very well ደህንነት አይሰማኝም I don't feel I don't feel normal I don't feel healthy ጤንነት አይሰማኝም I don't feel well I'm sick I don't feel well I'm sick so generally in this lesson today we have seen Okay, phrases, vocabulary, expressions related to health and health related matters. Okay, I hope you find these lessons, okay, or this vocabulary useful. Okay, and I would like you to like, share, comment to this channel, okay, Kalal English. Please, if you have any questions, please share them or type them on the comment section, and I'll be glad to answer them. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay connected to Kalal English. Goodbye.